Squirt it out, squirt it out, squirt it out. What's up YouTube? It's your boy WannabeMatt. I'm here with another video relating to my dreads. Shout out to all the subscribers. I'm getting a lot of feedback about my videos, so much appreciated. So guys, today's video is about stuff I put in my hair. I mean like products and stuff. I just thought I'd make one video that's showing stuff that I use in my hair personally. Get you guys feedback so you guys can give me like your opinion on some of these products and let me know what you guys use in your dreads or hair or whatever. Now don't get too worked up. It's not a lot. I don't really use a lot of product, I guess. I think I moderate use. Depends on how I'm feeling. Seriously though guys, I don't use much. Let's kick off the list. First off, I use this thing. Ocean Ultra Hair Wax Aqua something. This thing, it's like an edge controller. I don't personally use it. My loctician uses it. She uses it when I'm doing my hair. Yeah, that's the only time I really use this thing to make my hair look neat and stuff when it's just being done. Other than that, I don't really use it at all. Next on the list is shampoo. I just recently been using this stuff. This stuff is Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening, Grow and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, apple cider and apple cider vinegar.
Boy, if you don't,
that's a mouthful. This stuff is pretty good. I like how it makes my hair feel, so I've been using this a lot lately. Other than this shampoo, if you don't have this shampoo, this cheap stuff works well. This is White Rain. I don't know. I use this when I'm out of this or any other cheap shampoo like Suave, VO5 or whatever. I think you can use whatever shampoo you like as long as it works with your hair. So if you know your hair from before you had dreads or you think about getting dreads, the same shampoo that works with your dreads now is the same shampoo that worked with your hair before you got dreads. So yeah, those are the type of shampoo I use currently. Conditioner. I don't really use conditioner as much as lately. I used to, but I stopped for some reason. I don't know. I usually use, sometimes I'll condition after my hair. Usually I'll condition my hair after I washed it with shampoo. So you could use like the Tresemme something, luxurious moisture or something. Or if I just washed my hair and that, I'll put in some Cantu leave-in conditioner. So I just mix this with some water, spray it in my hair. Other than those, I don't really condition my hair much anymore. Let me know what kind of conditioner and shampoo you guys use. I'll see if I can find them in the stores anywhere and give those a shot. Any tips or tricks that you guys might have for your hair, I'd like to hear them because I'm about, as I let you guys know, my goal for this year is my man bun. So the more my hair grows, the quicker I can achieve my man bun. And the conditioner. Moisturizers. I use this thing. This is the Cantu Shea Butter Tea Tree and Jojoba Hair and Scalp Oil. Helps protect blah 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 blah. This thing. I use this thing every time I wash my hair. So after I've washed, conditioned my hair, I use this thing. I squirt it out on the roots, whatever. And this moisturizes my hair pretty good. If you guys know anything about oils, you guys know that tea tree and jojoba oil are pretty good for your hair. I wanted some coconut oil, but I'm too lazy to go to the store that sells the one that I want. That's the only reason I don't have any coconut oil right now. I've been using this product and this product works pretty good. So what else? I don't really use anything. I think that's it. You guys know the ACV rinse. I haven't done one as yet. I'll need to go get myself some apple cider vinegar and so I can do my first ACV rinse. Maybe on my 1 year mark, maybe I'll do an ACV rinse. But until then, that's all the products I personally use. And guys, you don't really need a lot of products in your hair depending on the lock method you choose. Because as I said, I interlock my hair, so there's not much products. I wash my hair whenever I feel like. But if you twist your hair, usually that's the products that are beeswax or locking gel. That's what's holding your locks together. So you guys might use more products versus someone like me who uses interlocking. As I said, that's all the products I use. So yeah guys, let me know the products that you guys use or don't use and I'll check them out. It was a pretty short video. Like, subscribe, share, check out my other videos on my channel, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. I upload every Friday and some Tuesdays. It's your boy WannabeMatt. Peace. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Here you go.